children's book illustrator Lorraine Dey. Welcome to Deystudio art series, The Reading Chair. The first book is Fox and Camel coloring book. This coloring book is based on the series Fox and Camel, written by Michael Kaufman, illustrated by Lorraine Dey. The second coloring book featured is called Let's Keep Busy. All the information for these books are going to be found in the description box for this video. Now for today's featured picture book reading, The Rainforest Party by Lorraine Dey. Hector Armando was a little armadillo with a big problem. Each of his friends had a special talent. Hector Armando wanted a special talent too. He decided to go into the rainforest to find it. I have to find something in time for the big rainforest party tomorrow, thought Hector Armando. As he walked into the forest, he noticed his friends AJ and Andre. The turtle slowly sifted through the dirt, while the tiny lizard snapped his skinny tongue at the ground. "What are you doing?" asked Hector Armando. "We are collecting ants and beetles for the big party," said AJ. "The bugs come out after he scratches the ground. Then I can grab them with my tongue," Andre announced. Hector Armando tried to collect the insects, but he wasn't fast enough. He would have to find something else he could do. Next, he saw his friend Tanis. The brightly colored toucan darted from one treetop to the next. "What are you doing?" asked Hector Armando. "I'm using my large beak to gather papayas and coconuts for the big party," said Tanis. Hector Armando tried to collect the tropical fruits, but he wasn't tall enough. He would have to find something else he could do. "What are you doing?" asked Hector Armando when he saw his friend Dante. "I'm practicing my high jump for the contest I'll have at the big party," said the little frog. Hector Armando tried to jump over the branch, but his legs weren't long enough. He really would have to find something else he could do. "I really don't have any special talent," said Hector Armando sadly. All he wanted to do was curl up into a little ball and hide, and that's just what he did. Hector Armando pulled his feet inside of his shell. He tucked his tail in tight, right next to his head, and turned himself into a little ball. Hector Armando felt safe, so he hid there for a long time, thinking. Then, bump! Suddenly, he was rolling down a hill. He rolled and rolled, faster and faster. He didn't know what to do. Then, thump! His shell bumped against a tree, and he stopped rolling. Safe at last, thought Hector Armando. Slowly, he opened his shell. "It's Hector Armando!" the toucan shouted. "How did you go so fast?" said the frog. "I could hardly keep up with you." "I'm so sorry," said the turtle. "I thought I was digging under a stone. I would love to go that fast. Can you take me for a ride?" "Me too," asked the lizard. Hector Armando smiled. "Absolutely. Let's give it a try." One by one, he took a small friend into his shell. They rolled and rolled faster and faster. Everyone wanted a turn. Hector Armando found himself rolling all afternoon. The next day, everyone gathered in the rainforest for the big party. Hector Armando wasn't hiding in his shell. He had finally found his own special talent, and his friends loved it.